Hi guys, and welcome to Excited for Coupons. So I'm going to be giving you two different challenges. One is 23 out of pocket, but it will be a free trip, and the other one will be $30 out of pocket, but it will come out to a final price of $8 for everything you see that you want to see. How I did this, I'm going to include this in my site as well, excitedforcoupons.com. I'm going to be providing the list of both transactions, and so let's just get started. Well, the first trip idea, it will be $22.41 out of pocket. This is not including tax, so it will vary if you do the same scenario. You will be getting 4 items. The first one will be the Colgate toothpaste. It's for $2.99. There is a coupon that you use that will deduct 50 cents, and you could use that CVS coupon that we received last week. It should apply for this toothpaste, and once you do this transaction, you're going to pay out of pocket 49 cents, but you're going to get back to ECB, making it $1.51 moneymaker. Well, let's continue with this trip. The second thing that you could get is the L'Oreal hair. You can find that in Smart Source, not Smart Source, RMN. You buy 4 of those for $4.99. Your total will be $19.96, but you could use 2 coupons. One that deducts the 4. Check the limit, so if you could use both, then you could use 2 coupons that deducts 4. And also, if you have that coupon that deducts $4 when you spend $18, it was a CVS coupon that printed. For some people, you could use it on this deal. At the end of the receipt, you should get an AECB, and don't forget to submit it to iBota, and that will also come out to free and 54 cents moneymaker. This one is just another example that you could do, but if you don't have this printable coupon that is no longer available, then you could skip this deal. But if you do want to use this coupon, you could do so on this trip. So what you could do is buy 2 of those lip liner. They should be for $4.69, and you could use 2 of those coupons that were for $3 each. So you will pay $3.38, but you get back 4 ECB, making it free and 62 cents moneymaker. The last item you could get is for the Claro. Remember, you have to mix and match. If you want to be sure, you could scan it, open your iBota app, so you could buy the exact one, so you could get back the cash back. That is what's going to make it a money maker. So once you you select the right one that is shown iBota, which is a nice and easy. The other one is Natural Instinct. You could buy 2 of those for $8.29. And your total is $16.58, but you could use 2 coupons. That's going to be deducting $3 each. At the end of the receipt, you should get a 6 ECB, but don't forget to submit it to iBota, which you're going to get $2.50 cash back for each item. That's $5 total, making it free and 42 cents moneymaker. As you can see, this whole trip would be $48.91. That is if those are the original price, but if that is a sale price, you can add the original price, and you will see that the subtotal will be a lot more. After coupons, ECBs, and cash back, this trip would be free, and it will be $3.09 moneymaker. So you could take all this home. If you have all those coupons, you could follow this scenario. If you have other coupons from CVS, it will even make it even sweeter. So this is just an idea. You don't have to get everything here. It's just for you to see that you could go couponing and get some items for a great price. Also, don't forget that most of these items do qualify for beauty rewards, so you might be getting a $3 beauty ECB as well. So that's really a great moneymaker. Here is a little bit more pricey challenge idea. This one is $30 out of pocket, but if you have ECBs that are about to expire, you want to use, this is the best time to use them. Also, Huggies or diapers tend to be very expensive, but once you follow this challenge idea and you have similar coupons, your trip is just going to be $8.44, which is pretty good. So let's just get started. You could also let's start with the Colgate toothpaste, which I already explained how that would work. Once you finish with that one, it will be $1.51 moneymaker. The second one, if you do have the P&G coupon, you could do the Venus razor, but if you don't have the P&G coupon, you could check the CVS app in case, because sometimes they have them. I'm not going to guarantee that, but sometimes they do. And you could do a similar trick, but if you have the coupon, this will be a really nice moneymaker. So buy 2 of the razor for $8.99, and if you have that CVS coupon that deducts 6 for Venus, and use 2 coupons, that's going to deduct 3 that we got in the P&G. You will pay $5.98, but you get back 10 ECB, making this a $4.02 moneymaker. Now, here is the Huggies deal. There is a printable coupon, so try to print those before they're no longer available. I'm going to provide that in the description box. Buy 3 of the Huggies for $9.99. right there is it's $29.97, but you could use 3 of those coupons. That's going to deduct $2. You get back 10 ECB at the end of your receipt, and that will make it $13.97. But since you did a few items that you got on this trip that are moneymaker, it will just bring down that total to $8.44. So as you can see, this easily could have been $50, $51, but doing couponing, taking advantage of the deal, using those coupons, the CVS, and getting back those ECBs, it will come out to just $8.44. So I really hope that you really enjoyed this video and it was very helpful. And these are just ideas. You can mix and match. You don't have to do it exactly as is shown here. I just want to give you an idea of how you could go couponing to CVS. If you have any questions, you can write them down on the comments section. But I hope that you really liked this video. If you did, I invite you to give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't done so, I invite you to subscribe to my channel and share this video so that people could get ready for this Sunday's deal. So thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate your support. And until the next video, bye.